Zuckerberg sees Project Cambria possibly and potentially replacing your laptop very soon. So what he says is that the Meta Quest 2 continues to be the leading VR headset, and later this year we're going to get Project Cambria, which will be more focused on using cases and eventually replacing your laptop or work setup. The premium device will have improved ergonomics and full color pass-through mixed reality to seamlessly blend virtual reality with the physical world. And this is something that still drops the ball in a lot of current VR headsets. AR is doing a fantastic job in bringing that virtual experience, but in VR realm, mixed reality, it needs a lot of work. So hopefully we can get that, basically a green screen effect without needing everything on top of a green screen and more. So it says we're building in eye tracking and face tracking so that your avatar can make eye contact and facial expressions, which dramatically improves your sense of presence. So Project Cambria was announced last year in 2021 as a high-end standalone headset for both virtual and mixed reality. Launching in 2022 to be sold alongside the Quest 2. So now Meta has the Meta Quest series and now Project Cambria. What this is going to do, I feel, is going to combat and compete against Apple VR, just every, the Valve Index, just anything that's very high end that's still kind of dominating, but still more of a traditional PC VR. Now, what Meta's doing, since they found that technology to be wireless, I don't think they're going to need a wired function or a PC VR function, but I believe more this is going to be the actual metaverse for people that are really looking into being metaverse with blockchain, crypto, real estate, and just selling and dubbing a lot of stuff. The short teaser, it also shows that the VR's key potential use cases is going to be a powerful workspace. So while Quest 2 is focused heavily more on gaming, I believe this will be for more adulting, I guess you can say, which will have the adulting price range, by the way. I know it's going to be at like $1,000 up. So the idea, instead of being limited to hunching over one small screen built into your laptop, you can have multiple virtual screens, which is already done in the Quest 2 update. You can see that there's a multitude of screens to be able to utilize now with the multitasking, moving from experimental features all the way to professional and official features. So you could have that, and you can have multiple screens on top of everything and floating in front of you. It shows to be something that somebody can really decide to reinvest that money to buy a VR headset instead of just a Chromebook or a tablet. So they want it higher than a Chromebook or a tablet. They don't know how it's going to really compete against a high-end laptop, but being able to be better than a Chromebook and a tablet is a lot, because Chromebooks and tablets are very limited, and to at least pair it with that realm, I think that's gonna be pretty dope. And then they said they've been adding productivity features, operating systems such as Infinite Office, also the Magic Keyboard. You can really connect up in there. You can show your trackpad to navigate. Triple window support was added, and these windows also can be utilized as Android phone apps, but the Quest Store doesn't serve these, and there's obviously no Google Play or Amazon App Store, so much apps have to be sideloaded from a PC. So it still shows a lot of PSVR stuff, PC VR stuff, but on top of that, just I believe they're going to full-on standalone unless you want some additional mods and really extracurricular, taking it next level, which is very intriguing at times. While the software is starting to support work cases, Quest 2 front heavy design makes extended seated use comfortable, and its pass-through view is low resolution black and white. Cambria appears to have a much more compact and balanced design with a smaller front box and a strap resembling Quest 2 Elite strap. So it does come with that already dope strap instead of giving us that weird floppy one, man, with the Quest 2. And its high resolution color pass-through would allow interaction with real world. Still, the focus on web apps limits the current scope of Meta's VR productivity ambitions to taking on Chromebooks. A lot of work is done on Windows or Mac, leveraging power-hungry native apps like Photoshop, Premiere, Unity, or programming. You could, of course, use a virtual desktop and Immerse to use PC VR, but neither of it is hassle-free, and they work around an operating system designed for Windows housed. So on top of everything, they're going to be competing with the low-end laptop, or they're going to be definitely much better than a Chromebook, in which I highly believe. Chromebook's very limited in terms of side loading and more. So Cambria does have a great head on their shoulders, and they're ready to go. Quest 2, the Quest series, is dominating Meta with Project Cambria on one end for high money, for the other end for entry level, to just get everybody involved to the quote-unquote metaverse. They're doing a great job with it, and which is why they're still going to dominate this year and possibly next year. Nobody has caught up to that technology yet. It's very surprising that Apple VR got kind of a delay, but I believe Apple VR is going to have something great too coming around. But for now, y'all got to let me know what's up, man. Leave some comments in the comment section below, and just give us a thumbs up and a like, subscribe. It does help out with the algorithm, and it really makes a massive difference. So I appreciate y'all, man. Peace.